Hello everybody, this is Ian Lamont, publisher of In 30 Minutes Guides, available from in30minutes.com. Today I'm going to be talking about how to set up LinkedIn to automatically email you job recommendations if you're looking for a job. And this approach works whether you're using LinkedIn.com on a Windows, Mac, or a Chromebook. Any type of browser, this will work as long as you have a LinkedIn account and you've entered some basic information into it. And disclaimer, what you're about to see here may look a little bit different for you depending on when you watch it and how you have LinkedIn set up. And also you have to follow LinkedIn's terms. So anyways, let's get started here. And LinkedIn is often known as a great networking place, so I can see what people in my network are doing, but you can also search for jobs on LinkedIn. I can type in this field and search for a certain type of job and something will come up. You can see I've been searching for health-related stuff recently. But let's say that I don't have enough time to be browsing on LinkedIn.com every day. I just want LinkedIn to send the update job recommendations to me, and you can do that. Look for the Me icon in the top bar here on LinkedIn, click it, then select Settings and Privacy, then select Communications, and then select Email, because I want these recommendations to come to me via email, not via some other sort of a notification, like a mobile notification, because I'm an email kind of guy. So under communications, you have all these different topic areas. What we want are jobs. And this may look really complicated. There's all these different types of job application things. So let's say that I'm like casually looking for jobs. I have my own job. I have my own company. But let's say I'm looking for something, I don't know, part-time. Click on Job Recommendations. And this little pencil here means you can edit the setting. So email frequency right now is off. I can do two things. One thing is I can send recommended. And this means LinkedIn will look at my profile, at my network, at the jobs I've had before, and it will use some sort of algorithm to determine what sort of job recommendation should be emailed to me. And it will send it to my email inbox, the one that I have set up with LinkedIn, and then I can decide if I want to do anything. And usually, actually, I don't want to do anything because I'm not really actively looking for a job. But let's say I was actively looking, and maybe recommended is not enough. Maybe I want to get job recommendations every day sent to my email inbox. And LinkedIn will do that. It'll use its algorithm and my profile to determine what sort of jobs might be a good fit, and it'll just present them to me. So this is actually a big time saver. It's one of the more useful features for LinkedIn if you're looking for work. But if you want more information about how to get the most out of LinkedIn, actually, Angela's book, it covers all kinds of LinkedIn job seeking situations, networking, how to make your profile look great. It's a fantastic book. It actually was a runner-up in the Forward Indies Award contest, and it's now in its second or third edition by now. So for more information, go to in30minutes.com. If you like this video, please take a moment to like it or follow me on YouTube, and you can see more videos about LinkedIn and other topics on in30minutes.com. Thank you so much for watching.